Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the rubber boot on your car connectors. You can see that this one has deteriorated all the way. The rubber basically turned to plastic and it's all cracked up and broken. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the connector apart, and to do that I have to pull out these two wires. One of the things which are basically the most important is you have to remember which wire goes where. To take the connector apart or to pull the pins out, I'm going to use these two needles. Now there are tools online intended specifically for this, but I didn't want to wait 2 or 3 weeks for them to arrive. Here I have the wire which I pulled out of the different connector just to show you what you gotta do to pull the pin out. You got two metal clips on top and on the bottom, and you basically gotta use the needles to push these pins in so you can pull the wire out. Before I start, I'm gonna remove this plastic cover on back of the connector. It's held in by two small plastic clips. I'm basically just gonna pry them off. Just like that. I suggest you use these ballpoint needles so you don't hurt yourself. I got one needle in and I'm gonna put in another one. You actually feel the needles going in, so you'll know that you are doing it properly. Now what I'm gonna do is gently pull out the pin. Be careful so the needles don't go flying into the engine bay. And that is basically it. I'm gonna repeat the same process for the second wire. I'm gonna put the needles in, and I'm gonna pull the wire out. Alright, I got my two wires out. As I said in the beginning of the video, it's essential that you remember which wire goes where. I'm gonna use my knife to cut the old boot off. Here's my new rubber protector. I bought a set of, I think, 12 of them for maybe like 10-15 euros online. I'm gonna guide the wires one by one. Now this new rubber boot is nice and flexible, so I don't have any issues pushing the wires in. I'm also going to push these wires inside the plastic protector. I'm gonna get my connector. So in my case, the wire with the white goes to the left side. So all we gotta do is basically just push it in. You will actually hear the click once the wire gets into its place. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna clip in the back part. Pull the rubber boot over the connector, and I am basically done. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit a like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of car enthusiasts.